In this video, I'm going to show you how to add subscribe button to video on Capcut PC. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Capcut on your desktop. Make sure that you have the app installed on your device. Now in here, go ahead and open the project where you want to add the subscribe button to. Now at the left side of your screen, you'll be able to find this stock materials. So go ahead and click on the stock materials and search for subscribe button. Now on the results section, you'll be able to select the subscribe button video that you can use for your project. Just go ahead and drag on the subscribe button video that you've selected and drag it to your canvas. So make sure that the length of this video is the same as the length of your preferred button video. So to be able to do that, what you'll need to do first is to head over to the remove BG section and click on chroma key. And here, go ahead and click on this paint icon and drag that paint icon on the green side of your video to be able to remove the green background of your video. After that, go ahead and head over to the speed section, which is beside the audio section. And in here, go ahead and drag this to right if you want the speed of your video to be faster. And go ahead and place the subscribe button where you want to place it on your video. And that is how you can simply add subscribe button to video in Capcut PC.